Q10 Rescue is a premium rejuvenating range with a repairing, energizing and balancing action, providing an intense supply of nutrition. Step 0. Preparation of the skin. Before starting the treatment, it is recommended to clean and prepare the area with the Casmara 3-in-1 Multifunction Gel Makeup Remover based on active ingredients of natural origin that guarantee a gentle yet deep cleansing of the skin. Apply several pumps manually to the face, neck and neckline. Emulsify with circular movements, activating its foaminess, and finally rinse with plenty of water. Step 1. Energizing Renewing Phase. Unique formula that combines an advanced biotechnological enzymatic exfoliant that renews the outer layers of the skin and succinic acid that, when used at its optimal concentration, energizes the internal layers. It is recommended to cover the eyes with 2 cotton pads previously moistened with water, then to cover the face with the Casmara Compact Towelette moistened with lukewarm water, and on top of this, deposit the contents of the ampule and brush on the product to enhance penetration of this phase. Once the product has completely penetrated, remove the towelette and wrap it around the fingers to perform circular friction in the neck, neckline and face for several minutes. So we add the mechanical action of the gentle friction as well as further distributing and penetrating the product. This phase does not require rinsing. We suggest to finish the phase by gently drying the skin with a paper tissue. Step 2. Rejuvenating Nourishing Phase. Phase based on advanced NutriCare, a fusion of 5 exquisite oils with a sublime texture and a highly nourishing power that penetrate deeply. Its high nutritional value, rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, provide an authentic injection of youth into the skin. For the application of this phase, there are 2 options: manually or through equipment, both being equally effective. For its manual application, the professional can pour the contents of the ampule into their hands and enhance penetration of the product on the face, neck and neckline by means of an active massage with fan-like strokes, tapping or superficial friction for approximately 8 minutes. For application through equipment, Casmara recommends vehiculizing this step with radiofrequency, endowing the treatment with a double radiofrequency action. For this, apply directly to the face, neck and neckline and follow the machine instructions. Step 3. Balancing Energizing Phase. Phase with a hydro-nourishing texture with smart Q10 GPS technology, which guarantees the necessary energy dose for the correct cellular functioning of the skin thanks to the microencapsulated coenzyme Q10 and to New Youth, an active ingredient that supports hormonal balance and beta-endorphin levels, causing deep repair and reactivation of the skin. Its Q10 bioenergetic system with GPS technology increases the production of energy in the cell's interior and reduces oxidative stress, restoring the correct functioning of the mitochondrial energetic system. Thanks to this phase, we achieve double repair. The skin recovers the energy and hormonal balance typical of younger skin. It is recommended to apply by means of a complete relaxing massage to face, neck, neckline and arms until the total absorption of the product for an estimated time of 8 minutes. Step 4. Firming Anti-Wrinkle. It is recommended to apply in drops to the forehead, cheeks and neckline and spread over the area without activation, only for the product to cover the area to be treated and for it to penetrate in a uniform way. Phase with a cream gel texture with cosmetic radiofrequency that produces a noticeable restructuring effect, fighting wrinkles and flaccidity from within the skin. It provides the skin with all the benefits of a traditional radiofrequency. This advanced active ingredient is blended with organic silicone and bioavailable vitamin C, which ensure that the new collagen produced is of excellent quality, giving way to a firming effect that fights against flaccidity and diminishes the number of wrinkles, their depth and length, and also provides an extraordinary antioxidant and brightening effect. Then work symmetrically with an ironing effect massage, performing slow and long motions with index and middle fingers of both hands simultaneously. Thanks to these movements and to the internal release of heat, we perform an authentic ironing of the skin, which is perceived as cold on the surface, while the client experiences a pleasant sensation of internal heat, of which the intensity will depend on the sensitivity of the client. It is important not to apply this phase to the eye contour or on areas with rosacea or other vascular disorders. By activating a thermal effect that is perceived as heat inside the skin, the effects of cosmetic radiofrequency are enhanced in addition to providing an intense sensation of well-being. Step 5. Energy C 2035 Energizing and Brightening Mask. For its preparation, pour the contents of sachet 1 gel and sachet 2 powder in a bowl. With the help of a spatula, mix both components for approximately 30 seconds until an even mixture is obtained. With the same spatula, spread the mixture over the face, working quickly as the mask will set on the skin approximately 3 minutes after being prepared. Thanks to its exclusive formula, the eyes and lips can be covered for an extraordinary result. Algae peel-off mask based on seaweed extract, creatine and bioavailable vitamin C that provides intensely moisturizing, energizing and brightening qualities. The creatine helps to intensely revitalize the skin and to increase energy availability, restoring the cell's vitality that had been affected by energetic aging. The fusion with vitamin C helps to intensely brighten the skin and unify its tone, in addition to softening and preventing the appearance of blemishes associated with senile aging. Its composition, rich in algae from French Brittany, carefully selected for their fantastic properties, give the skin a unique, firm and hydrated aspect. It is recommended to leave the mask on to act for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove it from top to bottom, starting at the edges. Step 6. Nourishing, recovering and energizing phase. Extraordinary phase that merges the most exclusive active ingredients with the most innovative cosmetic technologies in a unique formula. A highly nourishing formula based on argan, tsubaki and macadamia oil, enriched with the most sublime natural waxes, rich in fatty acids, vitamins and minerals. Its energizing power is indebted to the GPS technology that intelligently releases microencapsulated coenzyme Q10 in the cell's interior. An innovative phase with extraordinary recovering properties, thanks to the combination of chronobalance and new youth, which improves and stimulates the nighttime repairing cycle of the skin, recovering its optimal levels of hydration, elasticity and firmness. It is recommended to apply the full content of the ampule to the face, neck and neckline with effleurage motions for a pleasant and relaxing sensation of complete balance. Q10 Rescue, a true global rescue for the most demanding skins.